All right, this will be the trade recap for Thursday, July 11th. I took a quick little scratch right here at 10:17, cut it quick, and then took a nice little long right here. Uh, Scaled out some there, about half, got out another three contracts up here, and then the last one was hit at break even. And we'll get into why we took these trades. So, market rallied to new all-time highs yesterday, then consolidated in the pre-market, then on the CPI data at 8:30 this morning, then another large rally, leaving behind some demand right here, where we had this tight consolidation before that impulsive imbalanced move. So I was pretty much watching for a retest of this zone to hold, or for the zone to break, retest, and then get in the short entry here. And then this scenario that I took here is kind of the third option when the initial break is pretty far away, that if you are theorizing that a retest of your level is going to happen, and it's the initial break has been so far away that you have enough room to catch a move getting back here, and it would actually make more sense to try to catch that move than wait for the retest. So like, say for example it started bouncing here and going back up, then I would be looking more for the retest. But when we got this second aggressive sell-off candle, that's when it opens up the opportunity for the type of trade I took. And then obviously what I saw on the tape is really the deciding factor. So when I had my scratch right here around 10:15, I saw some buying come in, but it really, as soon as I saw it come in, it got eaten up. I cut that almost a 2-point loss, 1.75, a little bit large for a scratch. It's going to eat into my profits a bit, but it's all good. You know, it's better to take that than to let it hold to the full stop loss just because I took the trade. You have to be plastic in terms of, you can take a trade and then see that it's not going good and take a small loss and not let it hurt your ego or confidence. Okay, but we got in this trade at 10:25. So, selling, here's what I see. We get aggressive selling into this bid level at the 65s, 5665. Bounces the market up. Then retest, bounces the market up. Then when this bid gets hit again and absorbs this selling right here with this aggressive buying come up, that's all I need for the thesis that we might get a quick push up right back into this level. And got that initial move right after my entry. Price started coming down. Due to how aggressive this selling was, I made the choice to scale out half my position and go break even, because I didn't really see it necessary to hold risk. At this point, but so I cut some there, almost got hit stop at break even. Market started bouncing up, scaled out another good chunk here, got some profits in, and then was holding this runner for more. Got stopped at break even. Still a chance this trade could reclaim this 5,680 zone. Who knows? But we're gonna end the day here. Solid trade. Good patience. One other thing I want to note is, if you look at this overall volume, so I wasn't gonna trade at first. There was just before right here, 10:10 or 10:09, 10:10. The market had barely moved. I wasn't interested, but then on this move down, you can see volume start picking up, and then especially on this move after, volume's picking up. So this tells me that there is possibly good opportunity in the market still, because volume is increasing an hour into the market, and participants are entering. There's aggression. So that's just kind of a little tip and trick. You're not gonna. So this is volume just displayed differently, but this book map is not going to tell you much in areas of low volume like this. It's going to show you similar things, but they're not going to have as much weight or have as much meaning because there's overall not actually as much volume happening, and overall price is stagnant. Right here, when volume increases, the actual move happens. Yo!